Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to spoken English class. In this video, we are going to learn a great and very beautiful story. Let's start. The Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam and the king's dream. Yusuf alayhis salam was a prophet of Allah. Allah always gives special gifts to the prophets. He also gave the Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam a special gift. He taught Yusuf alayhis salam to understand dreams. One day, the king of Egypt had a strange dream. This is what he saw. There were 7 fat cows in a field. Then came 7 thin cows and they ate the 7 fat cows. After that, the king saw 7 green ears of corn. Then these 7 green ears of corn turned yellow. The next day, the king called all the wise men. He told them about his dream. He asked them, "What does this dream mean? Why do the thin cows eat the fat cows? Why do the green ears of corn turn yellow?" Nobody knew the answer. One of the king's servants knew the Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam. He knew that the Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam could understand dreams. He told king about him. The king told him to call the Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam. The Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam came to the palace. The king told him his dream. He asked him, "Do you know what this dream means?" The Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam explained, 7 fat cows means 7 years of prosperity. After 7 years of prosperity will come 7 years of drought. 7 green ears of corn turning yellow means the same thing. After 7 years of good harvest, there will be 7 years of bad harvest. The king was very pleased with the Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam. He made him a minister. He was put in charge of the king's granaries. For 7 years, the harvests were very good. The Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam saved all the extra wheat in the granaries. When the drought came, the fields became dry. No corn could grow on the dry land. Then the Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam opened the granaries. He gave wheat to the people. Nobody went hungry. Allah looks after His people. He sends prophets to guide them. People who listen to what the prophets say are safe. Thank you.